In this video, I'll show you how to force stop an app on an Android. Now, this is particularly useful if you're having issues with an app. If you force stop it, it kind of helps reset it and makes it perform better. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your settings. Scroll down to where you see apps or app management. You need to load up all the apps. Scroll down to find the app you're having an issue with and that you want to force stop. I'm going to use Amazon Alexa for this example. Open up the app and there you see just below the Alexa icon you can see the big force stop. Simply tap on that. You'll get a pop-up message saying exceptions may occur, etc. Confirm the force stop. And there you go. That is how you force stop an app on an Android phone.